we can perform circuit simulation and analysis of simple parallel bus system using Topology Explorer System SI workflow. In this video, we will run circuit simulation of DDR4 simple parallel bus system and analyze simulation generated 2D plots and reports. So let's get started. In the first step, we will load the project file, which you can download from the link given in the description. Then open Topology Explorer 22.1 from Cadence Program menu, select Advanced SI2 license. Then open the file which we have downloaded. Once the simple parallel bus system topology is open, in the next step, we are going to run circuit simulation analysis for DDR4. To do that, you have to first check the Use Channel Simulator option from the System SI workflow. Once you have selected that, we'll double click over controller block. Then the Edit Property tab will open. Then from the Edit Properties window, make sure you have selected Ideal Power option and Package Parasitics. Then we'll double click over Memory block, go to its properties and select Ideal Power option and Package Parasitics. Once we have done that, we'll click over Terminate Unconnected option from System SI workflow. Then we'll assign a 50 ohm impedance to unconnected signal pins and a mega ohm impedance to power pins and click on OK. Next, we are going to run the sweep analysis for the propagation delays that we have set in the last tutorial. To do that, you have to go to Tools, click over Sweep Manager, and the Sweep Manager window will open. We can close the Edit Property window and we can run the sweep analysis by clicking over Run Sweeps button. Now it will ask, the running sweep simulation on this topology will require 3 iterations. Do you want to continue? Yes, we wanted to run for all the 3 iterations and click over Yes button. Now it will ask to assign the simulation name. In our case, we are going to assign DDR4 SPBS sweep sim1 and click on OK. And as you can see, the simulation started. It will take a couple of minutes to run all the analysis and show simulation results. Once the simulation is done, we'll see this report generator form. Now in this report generator form, first we have to configure the AC-DC logic input levels. To do that, first we have to select DDR4 for 2.4 GHz from this drop-down menu. Once we have done that, next we have to configure the AC threshold in millivolt and DC threshold. In our case, for DDR4 2.4 GHz, the AC threshold is 100 mV and DC threshold level is 75 mV. Now after configuring that, we have to select the measurement options. Make sure you have selected waveform quality, DQ and CA mask, BER, delays and worst case summary. Then we can close this report generator window. Now it is asking for saving all the changes or modification we have done and click on Yes button. Now in the next step, we are going to see the simulation waveforms. To do that, you have this folder ready. We'll just select that, just double click here and SSI viewer will open. Now here we can see the waveforms for all the lower bytes of data and DQS signals. Alright. Now in the next video, we are going to analyze these waveforms, their eye diagram and generate reports. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.emaeda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.